This is how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store and download Crypto.com. Once you've done that, we're going to open up Crypto right here. Once you've logged in, you should immediately see on the homepage Bitcoin right there. But if you do not, you can go in the bottom right here. It says Track. Go to Search Coins. Look up Bitcoin. All right, once you've located Bitcoin, we're going to click on it. And from here, we're going to press on BTC Wallet, not Trade BTC. We're going to press on BTC Wallet. Once you've done that, we're going to hit Buy BTC. And here, we're going to click these arrow icons. So we have a US estimate. So let's say I want to do $5. $5 equal that many. I would buy that many Bitcoin. If I want to put in $100, that would be that much Bitcoin. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to go to Add a Payment Method right here and follow the steps in order to connect your debit card or credit card or your bank information. Once you've done that and ready to buy, we're going to hit Buy Bitcoin right there. I understand. Continue. And here's some confirmation. You see there's a timer in the top right. We're going to hit Buy with Apple Pay or whatever you're using. Once it is finished processing, it will say successful, and you will see your Bitcoin balance right there displayed. That is how to successfully buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com.